Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video, as you can see, is Ephemera Madness. So I am going through my stuff in my craft room and I found a suitcase filled with ephemera, and I haven't gone through these boxes in quite some time. So I thought, turn the camera on and let's share with your subbies what we have going on here. You guys, paper and ephemera are my most favorite crafty things to collect. I absolutely love it. I've loved it from the beginning. And when I first started crafting, I used to print out a bunch of stuff. So my collection is very big because of a lot of the printing and stuff that I used to do. And if I was swapping with somebody and they would ask me what I would want as goodies ephemera pieces. So yeah, I have all these boxes that we're going to go through together. But you guys, that's not even, I have nothing seasonal here. Everything is on its own space, in its own space as far as Christmas, Halloween, Valentine's Day. So that's a whole other stash. I have this whole drawer filled with brand new packs, which is insane, you guys. So I was watching Tony's video that she was doing the way Adriana stores her ephemera, and I'm thinking about doing it, but I am literally surrounded by ephemera everywhere. Like, I have cuts and packs everywhere. That is like my favorite thing to be surrounded by. I also have like little tubs like this, maybe 3 of them packed with just random. Like here we have maybe Cute Girl, Confetti Wishes, there's My Mind's Eye, a bunch of random Valentine's Day ones, Simple Stories, Cartabella, when I used to design for Amy on Instagram. There's Pebbles, more Valentine's Day, the Michaels. Like, look, you guys, the Metropolitan, I think this is Cartabella as well. There's more crepe paper. What else we have here? Crafty Girl by Simple Stories. I don't even know how I remember every name of these collections because there's so many. But yeah, you guys, I have a bunch more stored away in there. But I thought it would be fun if we went through these boxes together and see what we have going on here. So here's what we have in here. There's just random pieces, I guess. Let's see. Oh, you guys, look. Little milk cartons. I used to do the whole color coordinating thing, but I don't know what happened. I used to have like orange with orange. How do you guys store your ephemera? Look at this. Remember all these little stickers from Ali? I have a whole bunch of those. That they were kind of like the replica of crepe paper. See, some of these are cut aparts that I did myself. And I used to fussy cut like crazy. Little vellum pieces. Little Campbell's soup. Little paint chips. So I need to seriously go through all these little boxes and see what I want to keep and what I don't want to keep, so that I can figure out exactly how I want to organize all this ephemera. But this is our first little box. Let's see. Oh, look, something came off. I'll just put that in here. What do we have in here? We have a mixture. Oh, you guys, I made these Santa Clauses last year, but I was not happy with their faces because this one is just a little pink and weird, and then oops, this one looks like it has jaundice. It looks just crazy yellow. So I have a bunch of stuff here. Oh, there's some Christmas ones in here as well. Oh, how cute. Look at this one. So this is what we have going on in here. Look at this little fence, you guys. Is that not the tiniest little fence? Little bows. Let's see. Oh, I found a little green flower. We got a little mustache. There's some little cards in here. Some doodle bug. Oh, there's like a little, look at these little white houses. How cute. So this is what is inside of this one. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have to really purge my stash. What do we have in this one? So there I see some glitter girl. We got tickets. I love me some tickets. This is Echo Park, that like summer collection. This is the My Mind's Eye, I think, meow. Oh my gosh, you guys remember when I made these embellishments? I think this is one of my first videos. So if you guys remember when I made these, you guys are really the MVPs because you've been around for a while. And I appreciate and love you guys so much, as well as all my new subbies and all the people who show me so much love. Look how cute, you guys, all these ephemera pieces, but they're all tucked away and I never remember. And when I'm creating embellishments, I'm like, oh, I need this. Look at this. I would buy them like 2-3 packs. This is that, I think it's Retro Girl collection. Is that what it is? Retro Girl. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. This is kind of like the Dear Lizzie. We got flowers. That's in this box. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, you guys, look at this tape. How cute is this? What collection is this? I don't even know where half this stuff is from. Oh, another one of the little mason jar embellies. These are so cute. I should totally remake them. A little vintage chair. Oh, look at this little ruler. Super cute. So this one is kind of like sticking to the color theme. It's got like all little blues. Definitely have to purge. Way too much stuff that I'm probably never gonna use. Look, you guys. So that's in this box. You guys, I love watching like people's stash videos. That's just my favorite. So this just has like a bunch of tickets. I think this is from like the Michael's paper pad that came out with the tickets. That's the cut apart sheet. Yep, a bunch of, and there's Dear Lizzie stuff in here. Yep, this is definitely Dear Lizzie. Look how cute this is. More tickets. I think these I printed out from Pinterest. Those are so, I love to do the whole ticket thing because I like to layer. So if you want to layer on, and especially doing layered tags, I love to use tickets for that. How cute are these pieces, you guys? Little backpack. More tags. So that's everything in this one. I like that one. Oh, you guys, this one says Laura Die Cuts. I have a friend that we used to swap when I first started crafting, and she had the Cricut and I didn't have that at that time. So she would send me, every time we swapped Happy Mail, she would send me tons and tons of cutouts. She was constantly purchasing images on Etsy. And look, you guys, like there's so many in here. How cute are these? Look at this. And I used to be so obsessed with her little die cuts. So she would constantly send me every little image that she would buy. She would send me like a little ephemera pack that I gave her, her own little box of all the little stuff. Look how cute. That's such a cute little sticker. I love these. These are perfect for fall. And she's a total cat girl, so she used to send me little cat ones all the time. I love these. These are super cute. So these are all the die cuts that Laura sent me. Look, she even put my name on some. So cute. So that is everything inside this one. Make sure nothing falls out. Then we have this one. Let's see what we got going on here. Oops. So we have, look, this is like the little, I think yellow. I think this is pretty much everything yellow. We got little houses. And the school bus. Coffee cups, tickets. There's like tickets in every single box. The little deer, cameras, little lemon. Cheeks. Look how cute. Little yellow butterfly. So this is like the little yellow box. Let's see what else we have. We still have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 boxes, you guys. What am I gonna do with all this stuff? This is the green. And look at this, we got bingo cards, butterflies, coffee cups, flowers. Look at all these cute little ephemera pieces. I really need to sit down and go through it so that I can start setting some pieces aside. Oh, I remember when I made a handmade card with this. I actually painted this myself. Not bad for somebody who doesn't really do stamps and stuff, right? Not bad, Lily, not bad. True life, true story. I think these are like Heidi Swap. This is, I don't remember. Tons of cute little pieces. So this is the green box. And there's another green one here, but this is just vintage pieces. So this is, I think, a bunch of stuff that I printed out from Pinterest. You guys, obsessed with vintage. I was so obsessed with it. I did some watercoloring. We got some little rulers. I love all these pieces. They kind of look like Tim Holtz, but I used to search up like vintage tickets and just print out a bunch. Spend my days and nights, like hours and hours, just printing this stuff out and then making like embellishments. Look how cute this little girl is. Isn't she like the Campbell Soup girl? Or Curly Sue? How cute is she? Oh my gosh, I love these tickets. I'm gonna have to use these. So that's everything inside this one. Then we have this box, which, so hard to open. This one is an orange box. So we got a bunch of orange goodies in here. Look at these little roller skates, you guys. So cute. More retro girl. Tickets and glasses. Oh, look at those little Ray-Bans. Little houses. The little cookies, little cutouts from that die. Oh, my phone is dying, so I have to hurry up and get through these boxes. So that's the orange one. I have a tower going on here. In here I have some more vintage. These definitely look like Tim Holtz as well. Look at that. They got that Tim Holtz feel. Look at these cute clocks and feathers. Oh, Reset Girl, not retro. She's the Reset Girl. I used to love her stuff. I used to buy packs and packs of her stuff. Tickets. So that is that one. I don't want this to fall over. We still have 5 left, you guys. This is just a bunch of random pieces. We got frames, we got die cuts, we have Good Vibes, Maggie Holmes flowers. You guys remember when these swans were all the rave? We got Maggie Holmes. A lot of these I also print and cut. So that is that one. Bunch of frames and stuff. How cute is that? So that's that. Then we have, oh, how cute. Look, you guys. This is, let me see. I used to actually print out like a bunch of vintage coupons. I never used them for anything, but I did print them all out. And I wish I knew what paper I used. It's so thick. Look at this one, you guys. Look at his face. 60 cents unsweetened Kool-Aid. Look at this one. They definitely look like vintage little coupons. Uh-oh, it's Oreo. Do you guys remember ever seeing the Oreos like that? Oh my gosh. And then we have a bunch of mason jars. So that's everything in here. And what's in this one? We got a blue one here. It's some more kind of like brown vintage pieces. We got like, these definitely look like Tim Holtz pieces. I forgot what collection this is. I feel like I have it at the tip of my tongue, but I can't remember what it is. Look how cute. Look at these little thimbles. So these are all kind of like brownie pieces, vintage inspired. And what's this one? And this one, I guess, is the blue box. So there's a ton of blue. Oh, this little piece, Ada sent this to me. You remember Ada? If you're watching. You got some doodlebug up in here. Some more little cutouts. These I used to print out. This is Amy Tan. Look at this. Oh my gosh, you guys, so much. Who needs this much ephemera? Of course I do. I like my options. I used to make paper clips, you guys. Look at this cute little unicorn cutout. And then the last box is this one, and I think this is another all little brownie box. Cute little cameras, more of the Reset Girl, tickets. I tell you guys, tickets in every single box. So many. But yeah, you guys, that is my current Ephemera Madness. Let me know if you guys have a video up on your channel showing your ephemera. I love watching those videos. That's just like, I love being nosy and seeing what everybody has. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below what you think. Do I need to get rid of it? And yeah, I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye.